Hello everyone, I will give a tutorial how to install Windows 7 Home Basic on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. In this video, we will examine how to use Windows 7 32-bit on a new virtual machine using the VMware Workstation 16 Pro virtualization program on a Windows 11 64-bit operating system. In the first part, we will create a new virtual machine step by step. Step 1. Click Create a new virtual machine. Step 2. The new virtual machine wizard window will open. In this window, check Custom option and click the Next button to make more stable settings. Step 3. Add the Windows 7 ISO file to the virtual machine by clicking Browse and select the image file. Then, click the Open button. Skip this step, then click Next and Yes. Step 4. In the processor configuration, just leave it like this. Next. Step 5. To determine the amount of RAM, choose 1 GB. Step 6. Choose Use Bridge Networking and next. Step 7. In Input-Output Controller type, choose LSI Logic SAS. Step 8. Select Create a new virtual disk and add maximum disk size. Fill it with 30 GB. Next and finish. Now, we will start the second part, install Windows 7 OS. Step 9. Power on the virtual machine. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, just keep it, because the installation takes a long time. Alright, that's just it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share my video guys. See you!